sinasabi natin faith is looking forward. Pag sinasabi natin looking forward, hindi ito yung faith na pag sinasabi natin na parang nagkikaitay ng sarili nating reality.
Na-appreciate ko yung memory verse, pati yung arts and crafts na meron tayo. Sa Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5, na trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge Him and He will make your paths.
Kung hindi rooted in the scripture, nagkakaroon talaga ng confusion. At parang ano ba, worldview ba to or Christian view ba to? So nagkakaroon na siya ng gano'n. So dapat malinaw sa atin that faith is about trusting in the one who already planned our salvation at magpapatuloy nun until the end.
Yes.
So it's looking forward.